Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning and welcome back to our PHP lecture. Today we are going to start with a topic of SQL select statement. In our last lecture we were started creation of a database connection object. Okay, so today we are going to see statements. In this we have first statement as a select statement. What is a SQL select statement? We will see. Select statement is used to select data from database. Okay, last time also I have explained you this, but today I have come with an example. Let us see with an example of select statement. Select statement is used to select a data from a database. We are going to select a data from a database. Okay, the data returned is stored in a result table. Whatever data you are going to return, it is stored in a tabular format. It is called as a result set. What it is called? It is called as a result set. Okay, let us see with the syntax of SQL. Select is a keyword. Okay, select is a keyword. Okay, column 1 is a columns. Column 1 is a column name. How many column you want, you can write it over here after select statement. Column 1 comma column 2 comma dot. That means any of the column you can select it from here. If you want to select many columns, you can write your column name over here. If you want to select all column, you can write star over here. I will explain you, don't worry. Okay, this is called as a select column 1 comma column 2. From is a keyword. It will going to select your table name. From where you are going to select your columns, that table name should mention from table name here. Okay, the table name should be mentioned here. Here column 1, column 2 are the field names of the table. Column 1 and column 2 are the field names of the table you want to select data. If you want to select all the available data, you can use following syntax that I have told you. You can select star. If you want all the column, you can select star from table name, whatever your table name is. Okay, let us see a demo database over here. Below the selection from customers table. The table name is customer. Remember, we are using a database. Okay, in that database there is a table called customers table. Okay, NotWin sample database. NotWin sample database is given. In this database there are columns. Which columns? First column is customer ID, another column is customer name, third column is customer name, then contact name, then address column, then city column, then postal code column and country column. These many columns has been given in a database, in a table of customers. In a customers table, customer ID is one column, customer name is another column, then contact name is another column, address is another column, city is also a column, postal code is also a column and country is also a column. In these all columns there are 5 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, names are given over here. You can see. Okay, these are the names of the customer. Okay, now let us see this example. Select column example. We will going to see the following SQL statement will select the customer name and city column from customers table. There is a table name customer. We are going to select two things, customer name and city over here. Let us see the example. Okay, select customer name comma city from customers. You can see edit SQL run. Okay, run SQL I have clicked over here. You can see over here number of records found is 91. That is customer name has been given in the output and city has been given in the output. If I am changing it to customer ID, let us see what will happen here in your table. There is customer ID and customer name and contact name or address. If you want address, you can type address also. Let us do again. I am adding one more thing, comma address. Is it okay? Now I am running it. excuse me, it's not working. Let us run again. Okay, city, comma, address. Run your SQL statement. Here is the result. Now customer name has been given, city has been given, and address has been given. Whatever thing you want, you can write it over here in this column name, and you will be fetching your result in a customers table. Clear? Now proceeding further, select star example. Let us see what is it. Select star will be giving you select all the column from a customers table. Let us see with the select star from customer. Run your SQL. See customer ID, customer name, customer contact number, address, city, postal code, country. Everything is given. Every column has been given and every record has been given. Can you see this? It is called as customer table. From customer table it is being fetched. See it clear to you? Now we will see our next statement. Now we will see SQL where clause. There is a clause in this. Okay. Now next statement is where clause. There will be a clause in this. Let us see what it will do. SQL where clause. The SQL where clause is used to filter records. What it will do? It will filter your record. SQL where clause is going to filter your records. The where clause is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. What it will do? Where clause is used to extract. It will extract your record that will fulfill your specified condition. Whatever condition you are providing, based on that condition, it will be extracting the data. It will be extracting the record. Data means whatever record, whatever column record you want from the particular table name, you will be using in this condition. Whatever condition you have, you can find it very easily. For example, same database you are using over here, you can see. Okay, demo database is given from customer table we are using. Okay, where clause example is given here. The following SQL statement is used to select all the customer from country Mexico in a customers table. Now the question is, you are going to select all the customers. What you are going to select? All the customers means all the data you are going to get, but from the country Mexico only. That means from there is a column of country. You know there is a column of country. Can you see over here? In this database, country column, country in this Germany, Mexico, UK, Sweden. Can you see over here? This is the data. This is the column country in a database. So you want all the data from customers table. You want all the data from customers table. Okay. But the country should be Mexico. The condition is the country should be Mexico. You want all the data. In our just now we have seen, if you want, you can just write star to select all the data. So select all. For selecting all, you are going to write select star. But the condition is you want all the data from customers table, but the condition is country should be Mexico. So here a clause will be provided. Which clause? Where clause is given. Now here a clause will be provided. Where clause is be given in the customers table. Let us see the example. Select star. Star means all the data from customers. Customer is a table name. Star means all the column. Customer is a table name. Okay. Where? Now your clause, your condition comes. What is the condition? Where country is equals to Mexico. Your condition was where country is equals to Mexico. Mexico should be written in single inverted comma. You can see over here. Okay. Then last semicolon. Edit SQL statement and click the run SQL to see the result. Let us see run SQL now. the data has been given. How many data is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of records found 5. Customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country. See, the country is Mexico. The 5 people live in country Mexico, and the data has been given according to them. Is this clear? Okay, it is very easy. Just you are going to add your condition over here. You will be getting your condition. If I am changing my condition, if I am giving customer ID is 2, if suppose I am going to find a data of customer ID as 2, so see what will happen. Customer ID equals single inverted comma should be there 2 semicolon. Can you see? Number of record found 1. Only customer ID which is 2. The customer name, everything is given. If I want customer ID 10, I am writing 10 over here. Run SQL. See, customer ID 10. Data has been found. So this way you can edit your database. Is it clear to everyone? That is your conditions. Any condition, whatever condition you want, you can insert your condition over here. Is it clear, everyone? Let us see text field versus numeric field. What is text field and numeric field? They have given. Whatever I have taught you, that was the text field, numeric field. Okay. There is a operators in where clause. We can use an operators over where clause over here. Let us see that operators, following operators can be used in a where clause. First operator is equal operator. What it do? Whatever the condition is there, it will be find a condition equals to, then greater than operator is there. Whatever the condition, you can use the operator greater than, less than operator is there, then greater than or equals to operator is there, less than or equal operator is there, not equal operator is there. Okay, this is not equal. In some version SQL support may be written as like this. Some SQL version it will be written as like this. Between a certain range, it is given between a certain range. I will show you this example. Like search for a pattern in to specify module. Let us see the between example. Yes, now this. In this, select start. That means we are going to select all the column from product. Whatever product table is there, product is a table name. From product, you are going to select all the data where the condition is where price between 50 and 60. How you are writing between 50 space and 60? It is going to be like this, where price between 50 and 60 semicolon. Let us see with this example now. Now you can see product ID is given. Product ID is given 51 and 59. Product name is given. Supplier ID, category, unit and price. Price according to your price. Price between 50 and 60. 53 and 55. Two prices are there of 53 and 55. So it displays two data. Which price have 50 and 55. 53 and 55. Let us see. I am changing 60 to 70. Is there any data? Done. Yes. See, 62.5 price added over here. You can see. Okay. As per your requirement, you can change your data. You can change your databases. Is it clear to you, everyone? Okay. This was our SQL statement. Today we have seen SQL select statement and SQL where clause. In SQL select statement, you can select all the database, okay, from your data, and SQL where clause is used to provide you the conditions. Is it clear, everyone? You can pass it your data according to your connectivity, according to your database connectivity. You can use this SQL database very easily over here. Thank you so much for watching this lecture today.